Okay, here I am, another project today. What I'm working on now is a problem with my house and a cold floor. This is a two-story house. This is what you see there is the floor to the second story bedroom, master bedroom. This window right here is a bathroom. That is my kitchen. And what goes on here is this. There's a beam right about here. And that's the corner of my house to the second floor. It goes across, and the second floor runs parallel to here, extends out to this point. Our floor has been cold ever since we lived here for the last 4 years. So I tore this out to take a look and see why it's so cold. And here's what I found. We'll go up there and take a look. This is what was, like I said, there's my floor. It goes back to there where that beam is. These are 2x12s. Not messing around. This house was well built back then. And also goes back all the way back underneath the floor. And the only thing that's stopping the cold air was this insulation. This little piece of insulation. It's just stuck up in this hole. It's kind of like what you see right here. And you can see how filthy this is. There's how pink it is underneath there. So it's just a big filter of cold air just pushing through here. This is a vent to the shower, which is right in here, and it was painted shut, so it was basically useless. Oh, here it is. I'll show you that real quick. This is the shower or vent. You can see that looks just packed full. Did no good. So what I'm going to do here is this. Now that I get this all apart, I'm going to go. One, I'm going to cut this little black off, this old fiberboard. Cut it down smooth, take out the nails, get some 2-inch foam board, I think it was 2-inch, pull this insulation out, slide it up in here, and seal cock it all the way around on each one of these spots. And then part 2, or part 1, whichever it is, I'm not sure yet. Get up here. I'm either going to put some 2-inch foam board down first, or Roxol. I'm not sure I want to use from Roxol. I think the foam board. I'm not sure which is best. If I should do both or just one. I don't want to get moisture trapped, but how much moisture is back here? I don't know, but look at all that dust and dirt back there. This house was built in '68. There's another vent over there. That's to the kitchen exhaust fan. So foam board, not sure. I'm going to go foam board, insulation, or some Roxol, and then foam board to air seal it, because just not sure which would be the best method yet to keep it at. But this floor is like so cold. You can just see how bad that is. Doesn't do any good. But that's what they did back then. So I'm going to get all that sealed in, foam board all that in, put the board back up there. And like I said, it was built really well. It took me an hour and a half just to get this one board down. So we nails in it and had to cut it, and you can kind of see where I had to pry off a little piece there to get started. But that's my project during this time. I'll update when I get the foam board. Lowe's and Home Depot, they're still open. Shorter hours. Just going to go in there and grab what I need. And I don't think I need much, but we'll see how this goes. I'll do an update when I get that far along. Thanks for watching.